Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that you no longer exist. Your bank account, empty. Your email, locked. Your phone number, reassigned. Your face, used by someone else online. But here's the terrifying part. No hacker broke into your house. No thief stole your wallet. No criminal even touched your computer. Because in 2026, identity thieves don't steal people anymore. They steal ghosts. And once you become a ghost in the system, proving who you are becomes almost impossible. Tonight, we uncover the terrifying rise of the ghost scam, the newest identity theft tactic spreading across the digital world. A scam so advanced, even cybersecurity experts are struggling to stop it, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works, how people are losing everything overnight, and most importantly, how to make sure you're not next. The first victim in February 2026, a 32-year-old graphic designer, we'll call him Daniel, received a notification from his bank. Your password has been successfully changed. Daniel froze. He never changed it. Within minutes, more alerts arrived. His cryptocurrency wallet was emptied. His Gmail account logged him out. His cloud storage vanished. And then came the most disturbing message of all. Your identity verification has been approved. Approved by who? Daniel immediately contacted customer support. But when he tried to verify himself, the company claimed their biometric system already confirmed his identity hours earlier, using his face, using his voice, using his documents. Except Daniel had never submitted anything. Someone else had become him, and within 48 hours, Daniel officially became what investigators now call a digital ghost. No access, no control, no ownership of his own identity. Pause. This wasn't ordinary hacking. This was something far more sophisticated. Something designed not just to steal money, but to erase reality itself. What is the ghost scam? The ghost scam is a next-generation identity theft operation that combines AI deepfakes, stolen biometric data, social engineering, SIM swapping, synthetic identities, and automated hacking tools. Unlike traditional scams, the ghost scam doesn't just target your accounts, it targets your existence. Here's how it works. Step 1. Criminals gather your digital footprint. Every selfie you upload, every voice note you send, every TikTok video, every public post. To you, it looks harmless. To scammers, it's raw material. Step 2. AI systems recreate your face and voice with terrifying accuracy, not movie-quality deepfakes. Better, fast, cheap, automated. By 2026, criminals no longer need advanced hacking skills. They simply buy AI scam kits online. Some cost less than a gaming keyboard. Step 3. They combine real data with fake information to create a synthetic identity, a person who technically exists but isn't real, and then they slowly replace you in digital systems, one account at a time. How the attack happens. The most frightening thing about the ghost scam is how invisible it is. Victims usually don't notice anything until it's already too late. Here's the typical attack sequence investigators discovered. Scammers study their target for weeks. Social media habits, family names, phone numbers, birthdays, workplaces. Every detail matters. The criminals contact the victim's mobile carrier using stolen information and AI-generated voice cloning. They convince support agents to transfer the victim's phone number to a new SIM card. Suddenly, your phone loses signal. At first, most people ignore it, but in reality, the attackers now receive every security code sent to your device, every two-factor authentication code, every password reset request, everything. Now comes the terrifying part. The scammers begin changing recovery emails, passwords, and verification methods across all accounts: banks, crypto wallets, government portals, social media, cloud storage. One by one, the real owner gets locked out. Finally, the attackers create AI-generated verification videos, blinking, smiling, speaking, enough to bypass automated identity checks. Some systems approve them within seconds, and once that happens, the fake identity becomes the official identity, while the real person becomes a suspicious one. Imagine trying to prove you are yourself when the system already believes someone else. That's the ghost scam. The dark web marketplace. Cybersecurity researchers discovered something horrifying in early 2026. Entire underground marketplaces now specialize in selling ghost packages, complete stolen identities ready for use. Prices vary depending on the victim. Average citizens, a few $100s. Business executives, thousands. Government employees, even more. These packages often include passport scans, AI-generated voice models, banking details, facial recognition templates, social media history, family information, location data. Some criminal groups even offer subscription services, meaning your identity can be sold multiple times to multiple scammers. And the scariest part? Many victims never realize their data was stolen because nothing physical disappears. No broken locks, no smashed windows, just silent digital replacement, like a ghost entering your life unnoticed. Real-world consequences. People think identity theft is just about money. It isn't. Victims of ghost scams report psychological trauma similar to real-life stalking because suddenly their reality no longer belongs to them. Some victims lose access to their savings, their businesses, medical records, tax accounts, photos of loved ones, entire careers. One victim reportedly spent 6 months trying to reclaim ownership of his online accounts. Another lost access to her digital medical records during an emergency hospital visit. And in one terrifying case, a victim's deepfake identity was allegedly used in online fraud investigations, meaning law enforcement initially suspected the victim himself. Imagine being accused of crimes committed by a digital clone of you. This is no longer science fiction. This is happening now. Why 2026 changed everything. Experts say 2026 became the perfect storm for digital identity crime. Why? Because artificial intelligence evolved faster than cybersecurity systems. Verification tools once considered secure are now vulnerable. Face scans, voice recognition, even behavioral analysis. AI can mimic all of it. At the same time, people share more personal information online than ever before. Every photo uploaded, every voice clip posted, feeds a machine. And scammers are adapting faster than governments can react. Some cybersecurity experts warn that in the future, traditional passwords may completely disappear, replacing them with biometric authentication. But if biometrics themselves can be faked, what happens then? Pause. For the first time in human history, your identity may no longer belong exclusively to you. How to protect yourself? The good news? You are not powerless. Here's how experts recommend protecting yourself from the ghost scam. Enable multi-layer authentication. Don't rely only on SMS codes. Use authentication apps or physical security keys whenever possible. Limit public personal data. Avoid oversharing birthdays, addresses, travel plans, and family details online. Scammers collect everything. Be careful with voice samples. Public voice recordings can be cloned. Even short clips may be enough for AI systems. Use separate recovery emails. Never connect all accounts to one email address. If one falls, all fall. Monitor SIM activity. If your phone suddenly loses service unexpectedly, act immediately. It could be a SIM swap attack. Freeze sensitive accounts. Many financial institutions now allow additional verification locks. Use them. Stay skeptical. In 2026, seeing is no longer believing, and hearing isn't either. The ghost scam isn't just another cybercrime trend. It's a warning about the future. A future where artificial intelligence can imitate humans so perfectly. That reality itself becomes questionable. Where criminals don't need masks anymore, because your own face becomes a disguise. And maybe the most chilling part of all, many victims never realize they were targeted until their digital life is already gone. Beat. So, tonight, before you close this video, ask yourself one question. How much of you already exists online? And who else might be watching? If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe now for more dark investigations, cybercrime exposés, and disturbing true digital stories.